Hi, it's Jackie Othen here with the Othen Group. This is our February newsletter. I hope this message finds you and your families continuing to do well. And it looks like we've passed the 1-year mark of the first case of COVID worldwide. So having said that, things are looking radically different in real estate now than they ever have been. It smells, it feels, and it looks like a lot in the 2016-17 period. So for those of you who are actively buying right now or thinking about selling, there could not be a better time to get into the market right now. The prices on homes, if you're buying, are accelerating week over week. Many of you have seen that our spring market has arrived a lot earlier than in past years, and it is quite robust now. The 905s are still getting a lot of the acceleration. We've seen as little as 10% growth in some areas who are still picking up from the 2017 period. But there are some neighborhoods that have grown 25%, and not over a full year. I'm talking about in a very short period of time, in 3 or 4 months, as a lot of young people and professionals leave their downtown living or 416 area code and look in search of space. We've talked about it for a few months here. I hate to sound like a broken record, but it is true. If you're sitting in Ajax, Pickering, Whitby, Oshawa, Oakville, Hamilton, Burlington, Aurora, Bradford, New Tecumseh, and Keswick and beyond, then no surprise to you, you're watching the neighborhood prices just soar. Also Scarborough, looking at Scarborough in the East End, which is very close to parts of our office here at North Toronto and Midtown. You're seeing a lot of acceleration there, particularly with bungalows that are being torn down with infill. If you're watching this and you're thinking about when the right time for you to get into the market and sell your home is, the answer is sometime this month and very soon. So if you haven't made a custom plan, it's absolutely the right time to do that now. And if you're thinking about buying, I want to give some really good sage advice to first-time buyers. A lot of you are seeing prices out there and you think that you can afford them, or you're seeing prices for list prices, but then you're looking at the price of sold and you're kind of puzzled, as we are. What I will say, not everything you see in terms of sticker price accurately reflects the value in which a seller is looking to attain or an agent is trying to attain. So there's a lot of research here. It's very labor intensive for agents, but you need someone you can really depend on to give you the real point blank, straight shooting advice to be able to say to you, this price at X is likely to sell at Y. Because often what you're seeing all across the board in every area has a list price and an actual expectation that is very radically different, unfortunately, for those of you watching. I know it's super frustrating. I feel your pain as a professional realtor, and my team, we feel it with you. I wish it were different and things would be priced, but it's just not the market we're in. This is sort of the spring. You either get on the train or you miss the train going by. Most importantly, if you're in need of advice and you're feeling still very isolated, or you're unsure about your personal timing and how COVID has impacted your needs and your family's needs, and just want to chat, please just message us, give us a call, hop onto one of our webinars that are coming. And if you missed the downsizing one, don't worry, we're going to post the details down below and a link to be able to watch it. Share it with a friend, tag it with a friend, get it out there, because there's lots of people who need some really good advice and just can't access it right now. So that's what we're looking to do, is just give as much valuable information to you with no strings attached, at no cost, to ensure that you get the advice that you so crave and need at a time where the market is extremely fast and robust. Take care, stay healthy, enjoy a family day long weekend. Happy Valentine's Day, happy lots of things this month, and wishing all the kids a happy return to school. Hopefully things will just get better from here. See you on the other side of COVID.